Day 2 of the Caribbean Summit on Youth Violence Prevention saw the importance of addressing mental health issues. Details from Anara Khan.
Commonwealth Youth Council Caribbean and Americas Region Representative Franz George remarked that education is extremely important and necessary when addressing mental health issues.
I think those statements that you're experiencing a spiritual event or it's a demon and so forth oftentimes come from a place of ignorance. So we need to have education not just among youth, but as I said, the older folks, parents, teachers, community leaders, and so forth, that these issues are real issues that people are dealing with, so they could understand the symptoms, the causes, and also the solutions.
George emphasized the importance of youths being educated on the issue.
However, we also need to educate the young people. How can they cope? How can they recognize that they're experiencing these issues? And who to go to for help so that they don't have to deal with these things on their own. So education definitely must be in the picture. I think that no matter what projects we may implement, if the education is not a part of it, those projects would not be successful.
He described the conversation on Wednesday as a positive and progressive one and called for the strengthening of the mental health care system.
We need to have persons in the community willing to work. The government also needs to be willing to work, and policymakers and development partners. I think what happens is that when we may see, let's say, a mental health clinic or a positive mental health program, it's oftentimes the product of many partners coming together. So what needs to happen first is that the conversation needs to be expanded amongst the players in the sector. And then from there, we can then move into implementing these programs and having more centers.
In addition to establishing more mental health centers across the region, George said people must also see the importance of accessing the facilities. For InfoHub, Anara Khan.